so we got a battery that's loose. Bolts is tight, but still a little loose. So I'm gonna tell you what we do to fix that.
Yeah, that's really bad.
So you just need a quick fix. This is what we do. We take a bolt, stick it in here like so. We just tighten it down. You don't go too far so you don't hit the battery there. And after you do that, you take the other one. Of course, you have to loosen these bolts up so it can spread a little bit. Put that in there. This is only momentary fixes. Give me a second. See, we put that in, spreads it out a little bit, tighten that down. That's gonna see, it's already a little tight. And then we take the 10mm and we put a little torque on it. See that? See that? Now it's back tight again. Back tight again. Quick fix, problem solved. There we go. So this is what you do when you want to quickly just solve the problem of weak or loose battery post. These things do good, bad, and as you can see, these are not the quick ones to just remove. This one is. You can just remove it and replace it real easily by getting another one similar, but I just solved the problem here. Now we're back.